Right, this is a Croft Wet Lap on the 8th of November 2021 in a 1.9 CDTi diesel Vauxhall Vectra standard, back seats ripped out, that's it. Here we go. Very slippy. It's first corner, braking hard. Oh, and in. Second corner, to the left, chuck it in. Woohoo! Back's coming. Up. Bloody hell, and in. Lift through the chicane. Not. That's 80, 85, and that's 91 and a bit, and I'm on the brakes because I'm scared because it's wet. Oh, now this is a fucking little skiddy bit. Power on, let it wash wide, and use all the tracker. Off you go. 85 here. Slow it. Because it's wet, down to 75, back on it, at 75, 80, 85, oh, do I dare, 80, 80, 70, oh, down to 40, and third and in, around, just keeping it in third, flat out, letting the fucking turbo pull us out, at 60, 65, 70, 73, 74, and that's hard into third, round, that's it, down into third, oh, let the ABS take you around the corner, flat out, bury it, brake hard, second gear, and a long straight, bury it. That's 50, third gear, 60, 70, 75, there's 80, fourth gear, 85, 90, 95, lost my bottle, braking hard, in we go, that was about 45 miles an hour around there, coming in, fuck the brakes, just turn it in, oh, you fucker, hey, we're going, oh, you caught it, 50, 60, 63 and flat, 70, 72, 80, 90, into fifth gear, 100, 101, and I've lost my bottle. That's it, screeching there, that's out that corner at 55, pinning it down. 70, taking it across, taking that corner at 75 because I'm a girl, come on, 75, 80, 85, 85, and I'm on the brakes, come on, got a fucking 911 up with chuff. Gotta get the finish line before him. Go. On at 60, 65. Nah, look at the fucking power he's got that I don't have. Come on, Mr. 911. Slipstream me. 911's everywhere. Wheel spin, ABS, traction control, I go. 50, 60, 80, 85, that's 94. Porsche's not getting away as fast as I expected for the engine and the money he paid for that car. I paid 50 quid for this shitter. Woohoo! That's 50 doing a drift. Way! Better not, I gotta keep off the course if I keep doing that. There's 60 through the chicane. Flat out. 65. 70. 75. 80. 85. There's 90. And brake. Turn in. Oh, we're going round David 60 this time. Oh, no, we're not. 50. Woo! 55 that was. We're 54. Right, we're back up now. 70. There's lifting here because it's greasy. 80. Oh! Coming down for third gear here because it's greasy. We're going back up now because it's getting really slippy, but we're doing 70 and I want to try and take this corner at 85. Oh, 90. Big boy. 93 and on the brakes. Fucking hard. Back in there, round. Keep it tight. All of the track and round. Come on. Come around here. 55. That's 60. 65. 70. 75. And there's 84. Hard on the brakes. Can dip it in. Really fucking slippy. Away. And again, hard. Tyres squealing for mercy. That's 50. 60. On the brakes. And bang it. ABS traction control going wild. 50. 60. 70. There's 80. 85. There's 90. There's 105. 101. Or see 100 really, because I couldn't really see, but it was definitely on 100. Come on, I'm coming through this corner at 60 now. I've had to come down to 50 because the back's going. Oh my god! There's 50 because the back won't stay anymore. That's 55. Come on, 70 through there, beautiful. Come on, 80. Come on, 90, 95. Come on, and 100. And I lost my bottle again. Go on, that's it. In we go. Come on. That's 65. There's 70. 80. Bit greasy this. Makes me worried. I'm still doing 80 though. 80. Oh, 75. Come on, 80, 90. That's it. Come on, Adam. There you go. Round you come. Get the grip in. That's it. And then down. Come on. Right round. That's it. Come around here with 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 79. And then we're in, we're bringing it, coming in, we're going round again, 60, come on, get this faster down here. There's 80. Come on, 90. Come on. There's 100. Scared. Slippy as fuck. Coming round here. Fucking 55 that time. That was mint. Can we get round here? 55's as fast as I can get without stepping. Well, back's coming. I'm drifting it. We're drifting. Whoa. 60. And again. Yes, come on. Come out of that corner with 70 there. Summing up me chuff. 80. Come on, 90. 100. That's it. That's it. Carry it, use all of the track. Yes. Round there at 65, boys. Don't like this one at 80. It feels mad in the wet. But I've done it at 85 and I'm doing this one at 86. Woo! Caterhams or something up my arse. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's fucking quick, I'll tell you that. ST get past us? Oh no, I'm absolutely leaving them. Right, here we go, fuel lights on and there's 100. Screw around that corner. Take it easy. And kiss the back steps like that. That's a fucking drift. Oh, that's a fucking drift, slowing down. Can I get past this sanitary towel? It's kaput. It's done it again, it'll come up now. I've got no gears. Well, I've cooked it and the clutch won't come back up, so that's the end of part 6. Well, that's Croft done for the day. That's us.